Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Yehua, and this is a wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit. This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. This plugs into your full-size HDMI port on whatever you're using it with. It also has a USB-C port, comes with two USB-C cables for charging right here, and one USB-A wall charger. This is 10 watt, so 5 volt 2 amp, and then you get these adapters if you want to use them in your respective country. It also comes with this short HDMI full cable that plugs into the back. You have VGA, HDMI, you have a USB-C port for power, and then you have an auxiliary input for audio right here. So it just sits there like that. You attach the two antennas. It works over 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi 5, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. And it works with iPhone and Android and Windows and Mac OS. And now we'll show how the receiver works with a device. Okay, so we have it plugged into the television right here. This is the receiver. It does 802.11 AC or Wi-Fi 5. We have the anchor cable hooked up to power and the full-size HDMI hooked up to the TV. Alright, so now what we're going to do is screen mirror via Apple AirPlay from my phone over Wi-Fi to the receiver, which the box is right here with the antennas, and we'll show you that in just a second. Go. Okay, we're now going to share it to the wireless device. It takes a couple of moments, and then it will AirPlay the picture right on the television. There it is. There's the cake. And here's the cake. So you can AirPlay it from your phone, Android or Apple, with AirPlay to the television, and you can also do video as well. Now if you want to do Netflix or other types of streaming video via apps, you need to plug in the other device, which I'll show you in just a moment. If you want to transmit from your computer, Mac OS or Windows, you use this device, plug it in your full-size HDMI port, plug in power via USB-C, and then it will showcase whatever is on the screen. So you can have Netflix running, you can have Hulu, whatever you have running on from the desktop streaming through this device. You can have 8 of these wirelessly connected to one receiver, and you just press the button on the computer that you want to connect to the receiver. And that's all you have to do. Simple instructions in here. 2 pages. You can pause and take a look at this anytime. But it's just a couple steps to connect via iOS and Android. Mac OS and Windows are just as easy as well. You don't need internet, but you can connect it to your wireless network, so you can stream over the network from multiple devices to this wireless receiver on your television. So it's great for gaming and watching streaming videos. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.